Hey everyone, welcome back to True Host Academy, where we help you navigate the world of online business. Today, we're looking into something every entrepreneur needs to master: how to manage an online business successfully. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your operations, this guide will give you practical strategies to thrive in the digital marketplace. Let's get right into it. The foundation of any successful online business starts with one simple question: who are your customers? To answer this, you need to conduct market research. Understanding your customers' preferences, shopping behaviors, and what motivates their purchases is crucial. Once you gather this information, create detailed buyer personas. Think of these as profiles that represent different segments of your audience, demographics, interests, and habits all included. This will help you target your marketing more effectively. And don't forget to engage with your audience on social media. Respond to questions, gather feedback, and build a community. The more you know your customer, the better your business will perform. Now that you understand your audience, it's time to get them to your website. One of the most powerful ways to do this is through search engine optimization, or SEO. Optimize your website with relevant keywords, ensure it loads quickly, and make it mobile friendly to rank higher on search engines. Social media is also a huge traffic driver. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook allow you to promote your products and share engaging content that can attract new customers. And don't forget content marketing. Blogging, videos, and infographics build your brand authority and improve your visibility online. Okay, so your visitors have made it to your website. What's next? You want to make sure their experience is seamless. A clean, easy to navigate site is key. Don't overcomplicate things. A simple, smooth checkout process can reduce abandoned carts and boost conversions. Customer service is another crucial part of this. Offering quick, helpful support through live chat or email ensures your customers feel valued. And here's a bonus tip: over-deliver. Whether it's a handwritten thank you note or a surprise discount, these little gestures go a long way in building loyalty. Data protection is a serious responsibility for any online business. Customers trust you with their personal information, and it's your job to keep it safe. Invest in reliable security software and limit access to sensitive data. Not only is this a legal requirement, but it also strengthens customer trust, which is critical for long-term success. Running an online business effectively means making the most of the tech tools available. Use analytics to monitor website traffic and customer behavior. This data gives you insights into what's working and what needs tweaking. Testing different marketing strategies through conversion testing helps you find what drives sales best. And don't hesitate to get technical support when needed. Whether it's improving your SEO or managing your website, having the right experts on hand can save you time and stress. Finally, the online world is always changing. To stay ahead, you need to adapt. Keep an eye on industry trends and be willing to innovate. Embrace changes in customer behavior, technology, and the market itself. Staying flexible helps you meet the evolving needs of your customers and maintain a competitive edge. In conclusion, running a successful online business requires understanding your audience through market research, optimizing your website for SEO and user experience, and maintaining strong customer relationships. Engaging with your customers on social media, ensuring data protection, and using analytics to track performance are essential strategies. Additionally, embracing new industry trends and being adaptable will help you stay competitive in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. By following these strategies, you can build a thriving and resilient online business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to True Host Academy for more insights on building and growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.